In this video, I want to share with you this wonderful college opportunity in the United States with no application fee, no essays, no test scores. It is very easy and simple to apply to. And the interesting part is you will receive admission decision in just 2 weeks. In addition to that, you would be considered automatically into their scholarships. And that is not all. I will also share with you useful tips and tricks of getting other scholarships in the United States. So please watch this video till the end to maximize every benefit. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified on new videos like this.
So this is the web page of the Central College, Iowa, in the United States. This is the college that is offering this amazing opportunity where you can submit your application easily online and they do not require any form of standardized test scores, and there is no application fee and no essay. They are all waived. And you can receive an admission decision just in 2 weeks. And in addition to that, you would be considered automatically into their scholarship scheme. So you don't have to make any other separate application. So once you are ready and you're on this page, you just click on international application because we're international students. It brings you to this page where you make the application, and here it says no essay to write, no fee, 2 weeks admission decision, automatic scholarship consideration. So this is really wow. And for you to make this application, you have to fill out this form, and this is already the apply button where you fill the personal information. You go through this and create and continue, and here it says you can also log back in to finish. So at any point you are tired, you can come back to it, and after you're done with this page, you hit the next one, about you, high school academics, and submit. So basically this is just going to be in 5 tabs. So let's look at what this scholarship entails. So they said this scholarship ranges from 1,000 USD to 8,000 USD. So this is going to be up to 4 years in total. So you do not need any other further application. You just make this application for your course and you'll be automatically considered. And this scholarship is merit-based scholarship to all qualifying international applicants. So you scroll down, you can see this is freshman scholarship, and here it has different criteria. The first one is the Journey Scholarship that is given to every admitted student. This is 1,000 USD. And the second one is International Scholarship awarded to students who have achieved at least 3.75 GPA. So this is 6,000 US dollars. And the next one is awarded if you have at least 3.5 GPA, 3,000 USD. Whilst if you have at least 3.0 GPA, you will be receiving 1,000 US dollars. So this is the awards you'll be receiving, and this will be renewed every year. So every year after each one elapses, you can apply for a new scholarship to the tune of the CGPA that you have. So let's quickly look at the courses that they offer. So here you can see that they say here Central College offers more than 70 strong academic programs, which includes major, minors, and pre-professional advising. And if you don't see your preferred major on the list, please talk to us. So if you feel you want to really study in this university but they don't have your course, you can click on this and it will direct you to a form where you will fill out and they will contact you. And these are the majors that they have: counting, anthropology, biochemistry, business management, chemistry, computer science, economics, education, and environmental sustainability studies. They have a whole lot of information system. So please do well to go through it and yeah, see what is applicable to you. And once you have decided on the course you want to study, then you hit over and make the application and they will consider you automatically for the scholarship. At the beginning of this video, I talked about other scholarship tips I would like to give you. And here on the webpage of the Central College Iowa, you can go down here, you click on outside scholarships. There are amazing other scholarships you can benefit from. And this is very simple here. They give you the tips of finding the scholarships. And what is very important is that these are the places where you can click each of these links. You can click on each of them, and it will direct you to where you would see scholarships that you can apply. And when I click on this Unigo, for example, it should direct me to this tab. And in this tab, you can see that it says find over 3.6 million scholarships and grants. So this is a real database you can explore. You would create an account with them and complete a scholarship profile, and you would automatically be searching through a lot of scholarships. On this page, you can see already when I hover my mouse, I can see different things, get matched to colleges. Um, you can also see colleges by state. And here in scholarships, you can explore different college scholarships, scholarship march, Unigo scholarship, and here the 10K scholarship. I mean, I think this is a very useful website that you can explore and take advantage of the millions of scholarship that is offered here. And here you can see Superpower Scholarship, deadline is 31st March, Unigo Thank You Scholarship, 31st December, Superpower All About Education Scholarship, 30th of April. There are tons of scholarships that you can just go through it and see what is applicable to you, the ones you qualify for, and yeah, apply to it. Who knows? You could get various scholarships here. And for example, just quickly, I wanted to show you something here. When I click on this man, because these are the different kinds of scholarship here. When I click on minority scholarship, for example, you would see that there are different kinds of scholarship also for those that are with disability, first generation college students, a whole lot. Just look at this. It's just so many scholarships to explore, and you can already see how to apply for it. And here you can see for African American they have also scholarship for that, and the award is 27,000, so this is a lot. So please, if you're from African American, do well to take advantage of this. And this is 2,000 US dollar, no essay scholarship, so this is pretty much very easy scholarship. And they have Asia for Asian scholarships. They have for Asian students, and this award is 9,102 awards. They have for Filipino award is 55, and the total is 478K. This is Korean American scholarship, Latino scholarship, Native American scholarship, other ethnic scholarships. So please do well, go through all of these scholarships and see the ones that you are eligible for and apply to it. And another one I also want to point out is the company sponsored scholarships. So these are sponsored by different companies. So these are top 10 company sponsored scholarship you should apply for. Google Lime Scholarship. This one I already talked about Google Scholarship in one of my videos. In case you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it up here so that you can see it afterwards and also take opportunity of that. And this is how you can apply to this. And these are the list of companies that are sponsored, bank sponsored scholarship. The award is 322 awards they're going to give out to candidates. And you have food and beverage company, they have 4,104 awards to give out. They have 1,201 awards to give out by the law firm scholarship. I mean, it's a whole lot. So this is really mind blowing, and I decided to bring this across to us in case you have not seen these websites so that you can take advantage of it. So I would like to hear your opinions and your comments regarding this. Let me know if you will be applying to Central College and take ample chance of all these wonderful scholarships that I discussed here. I'll be very glad to read your comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked this content. Share this video for others to benefit from it and for YouTube to recommend it more. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so, and drop your comments and concerns, and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.